Hello and welcome to Leo's Lockpad. We've got a nice kick cylinder today. It is it came from it was sent to me, sorry, by pickme1977. Burns SP, the name. I've never heard of the picker, but I appreciate this lock has been made, so I get to have a go. It's a kick. Sorry, it's a kick. It's a quick set, and it's mummified in a, is it 0.8? It's in a bullet shell, which I suppose is just as good anyway as mummifying a key. Very interesting. Yeah, so we've got this kit. We're going to try and pick it that. But before we do, if you're into lock picking and you want to get involved more, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you're interested in what you see on my channel, my videos, please hit that subscribe button, which is down there, and that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to lock reviews to making pins, all sorts, lock related. But let's see if we can see if we can get this picked. A bit of the sniffles there. We're going to homemade tension wrench, which was a Allen key or a hex key, which were just ground down and plastic dipped, and medium hook, a small hook, sorry, from Trekmaster 30. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Got a very click off, I think it could be number 6 or 5, I don't know if it's a 5 or 6 pin. Ooh. Got a little turn of the core there off number 2. So, click on 2, another turn of the core off 3. Getting a bit of, tiny bit of counter rotation. Actually, I'm getting a lot of counter rotation off that. Click off number 2 again. Number 1's giving me nothing. 3's giving me a little bit more rotation. Getting counter on. Let me have a look. I'm getting counter on 2. And it goes back again. And I'm getting counter on 3. Then it locks up. I think, I don't know, I think that's a possible overset. Oh, we've got something back again. Still getting that route counter again on number 3. And I've lost that again. And I've got it back again. It's definitely something to do with 2 and 3. Oh, and there we go. We're open. Oh, that was actually very interesting. It was a nice pick, that. Definitely look. What I can't wait to see what's in number 2 or 3. Right. Let's take the key out. There was the bit in. Not too bad. Let's lock it back up. Looks nice and smooth. Let's get the pinning tray out, as we do, and tweezers. And I think we're going to need, let's look at the back, we're going to, yeah, I'm going to need the hollow follower. And we've got the clip on. Suspension, rightio. Let's put the key back in. that's where we're going yet. No, no. There we go. A little bit of problem then. We've got it. You have is a little bit stiff going through there. Well, it was a 6-pin. Everything needed picking. We have a standard driver key pin, sorry, another standard key pin, another standard key pin. They're all standard key pins. Nothing's gone on in the chamber. I know that most of all these cores mostly are brass, but this is a very weighty core. Quite long driver pin there as well. And this was a little lost one nearly. Let's have a look. Where's he gone? There we go. It was a little bit of a tight fit. We have a serrated and a steel spring. Let's get this really slowly. Make sure it goes in the right way. Aha, gotcha. Oh, cool. We've got a very tiny spool and quite a large T-pin on top of each other. And that little spool looks like it's so small, it actually does look like it's come out of I don't think that spring wants to come out because it's quite, I don't want to damage it. What's this next one? We've just okay, I've got a really it looks like it belongs to a pin in a pin, but even though there isn't one in there. Next one is a very nice spool. That's where I was getting my fault set. And it was a nickel copper spring. We have another T-pin. Right, no spring wants to come out of there. I don't want to force there we go. And we got like a mushroom pin. That spring want to come out? Yep. There we go. We've got nothing going on with the core. We've got 2 springs in, but I'm not going to force them out just in case I damage them. I don't want to do that. This is what we've got. So we've got a nice serrated, and then in number 2 we've got a T-pin and a very tiny spool on top. But that spool is really small. It does look like something out of an American 1100 or something. It really is small. The next one we just got a really long, it's like a half a spool, or if it was part of a pin in pin. Nice work on that. Then we got a commercial spool, which is nice. We have a quite long T-pin and a mushroom style pin as well, with a steel, long, thick steel, a very loose copper. Number 4 is stuck inside, and we've got a steel on 6. But yeah, it was enjoyable. That was a nice lock. Sort this out, sorry. There we go. Yeah, I enjoyed that. That was a really nice lot to pick, and those drivers are really cool. Yeah, I enjoyed that. Well, I hope you like that. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.